My name is Rifat and I've done a variety of courses at CityLit, most to do with literature. Well, I've recently retired, which means I have time on my hands, and I wanted to use the time well. One of the things I wanted to do is explore literature. I've read literature all my life, but it's always been at the end of the night, when I had work, family, everything going. So when that responsibility was over, retirement actually allowed me to come to a place like CityLit and read things that I've always wanted to read, and I could do it in the daytime when my brain and body is fresh and alert. The challenge that I faced was, it's been a long time since I formally studied. I was quite worried about, am I going to be able to fit in? Will I be able to participate in classes? But thanks to the tutor, Richard Nyland, and other tutors, they made it very possible. I didn't feel awkward saying things. I felt relaxed and I enjoyed listening to other people. This has helped me to reclaim my time because I can study at the daytime. And the other thing about reclaiming my time is it feels fantastic, a luxury to walk in to a classroom, to sit down for 2 hours, to listen to a great lecture. I'm going to be 70 this year, and it's my time means using that time, and while I'm still well, to do the things I've always wanted to do and not put it back anymore. I feel happy when I walk into a classroom now. I want to be here when I'm still fit and able for a long time, because this is doing me good.